So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to format text as a title here on the Notes app. So if you just were to go ahead and text right here, title, 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 it's just going to be very basic. Now, if the simplest way to do it is to highlight the text that you want to turn into a title, go to the capital A, lowercase a right here and select title, and it's going to make the font a little bit larger. So you can go ahead and do this to all of them if you want. And that's the simplest way to do it. Now, if you want to change it, you can go to the text right here, highlight it. There's going to be a bunch of different options just like this. You can press on the capital A, lowercase a, just like that. But you can also go to the top left here, press on Format, and you can change it this way. So if you want to just do that, you can go ahead. Maybe if you wanted to change the font, you can go ahead and do that. You can make this title font larger. You can make the title font, different styles. You can do whatever you got to do, right? You can change it this way. You can change the color of it. If you want to do that, you can change the color of it. There's a lot of different options here if you guys open up the formatting option right there. And that's just an example on how you guys can format text as a title. Maybe you want to center it, so you can go ahead here. You can go font, you can go text right here, you can center it, whatever the case may be, you can get creative and format it as you wish. So that's how you guys can format text as a title on the Notes app for the Mac. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.